Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. So let's move to the TikTok mobile application and let me just pause this video, and we have to go to the profile which is on bottom right side corner, and on the top right side corner there's three lines, right? We will just click on that. We will go to the setting and privacy, and after that we have to report a problem. Why I'm reporting a problem here? Because there is a no feature, no option where we can change our age. So we have to contact to the customer service of TikTok, and they will let us to change our date of birth or age in our TikTok mobile account, right? So we will go into the account and profile, and we will just wait for a few seconds here, and after that we have to click on the edit profile, right? So here you can see there's a lot of option whether you want to change the username, profile name and all that. So there's no option of our date of birth or age, so we will just click on the others, and after that we have to click on the no. Okay, and need more help. Okay, and we will wait for a few seconds here, just let it load. And here this is very important guys, because you have to write it here, you have to explain your issue in a very easy manner. So you can write here, I need to update my birth on my account as the current date is incorrect. I can show my ID to prove my actual birthday, right? And you can attach your photos and all that, but you can do that afterwards, because when they will ask you for the documents and all that, you can do that time. So this is it guys, this is the only option, and I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.